Hello, hi friends. Good morning. Today we'll see banned website. First, you want to open VPN and we want to connect. I'll give the link below. You open 4K movies. You want to watch means in TV. You want to pay more money and new movies also. We can't see 4K movies in this app. In this website we can see 4K movies and new movies also. I just will scroll. You can see all the types of 4K movies are available here. You can see which year you want, also you can select, and movies names and release date and rating also here available. General will can see family, drama, comedy, action, war, all the things are available. In movies and popular movies, you can see watch popular movies, watch movies online for free. Okay, we'll click. You can see movies, all the history are here available. Just will scroll. Here you can see watch the full movie online. Okay, that's it. You can see once we'll click, here came some time, 20 seconds. Now you can see, just we want to connect our any video player. Login up for $1. No ads. Okay, I don't want like that. We'll see here play given. No? Just will click. We'll see. So in this app, definitely we want to pay money. Then only we can play the movies, 4K movies. You like, you can pay and you can watch the movies, 4K movies. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my YouTube channel. I'll give the link. You can click and open this website.